Naalala ko pa dati, ng mga panahon nagkakilala tayo. Ate-ate pa lang kita nun. Pero alam ko na agad na iba ka sa lahat. Ramdam ko na agad ng crush mo ako. Kaya di ka na nagpatumpik-tumpik pa. At di mo na ako pinakawalan.
Looking back at our memories together, when I decided to introduce you to my parents, I hesitated at first because I know my tatay is super conservative kid.
I'ma bring it back, like turn up the track, like let the bass drop. I'm living this life right, forget about the past life.
Pangakong ikaw lang ang mamahalin, lalambingin at kakainin. Estek, sabay kumain. Sa hirap man o ginawa, lagi tayo magkasama. Pangako kong hindi ka mag-iisa.
Life is a true adventure, never been boring, keep God at the center. Feel the rush in my bone, living spontaneous from Jan to December.
You never fail to impress me sa pagka-business-minded mo. Sa napilit mo ko magbasa sang books for business, etc. Ga-oo lang ako. Pero balaan mo man, nga tamadan ako.
I'ma bring it back, like turn up the track, like let the bass drop. I'm living this life right, forget about the past life. Let me get jiggy, dog, we so litty, dog, we so.
Sorry kung hindi ako masyadong showy at sweet, pero alam kong ramdam mo kung gaano kita kamahal at kung gaano tayo kakaiba sa isa't isa. Walang makakapigil sa atin. We don't die, we multiply. I love you so much.
Nagarap ka pa yan, ha?
I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. James Anthony and Gail Marie Magsino. Let us give them a round of applause.
And now I see pedal on the floor, permanent key, go until your tank's running in. I'm gonna be there when you come back down. I'm gonna be there when you come back down.
Hello, Inday ko, asawa ko. Yan, sa wakas, andito na tayo sa napaka-exciting na part.
We took off when the dusk had settled in, somewhere in between the blue and gold.
Sa kabila ng napakahabang biyahe kasama ka, sa dinarami-rami ng pagsubok na binigay sa ating dalawa ni Maustay, magkasabay nating inarap at niskartehan yun para makasurvive.
When everything is said and everything is done, I want you to be mine.
Even though they don't like our tinted skin, you were the one who persisted in coming to our house and introduce yourself to them. I know you're shy, babe. I know you're shy. But I'm impressed when you stood up for me. It was funny kay kapag kagabi si tatay dito natulog sa sala para mabantayan niya tanga hindi magtupad tulog, di ba? Tuman mo. Kung abig ahuragok pa na.
Take my hand as your eyes are closing. Dream a dream that's only just begun.
Sa tagal na nating magkasama, sobrang komportable na natin sa isa't isa. Nagpapasalamat ako sa pagkakataong pinagtagpo tayo ni God. Kung di siguro kita nakilala, malamang sa malamang ay nasa maling landas na ako at ligaw pa hanggang ngayon. Sadyang mapagbiro talaga ang tadhana. Napakaswerte ko, di ba?
equal sharing with both responsibilities in the joys of our life together. I will practice patience and empathy, especially during difficult times, and work through any challenges we face with love and care.
Oh, you know that when it's sad, when it's done, sad when it's done. We took off when the dusk had settled in. Somewhere in between the blue and gold.
I will love for all the days of my life, remaining faithful and true to you no matter what comes our way. Love you, babe.
Love you too.
When everything is said